So we are almost done with the first part of our birthday countdown. Now all we are left with is to tell the player that okay, your next birthday will be on so and so day. In fact, as you can imagine, this part is going to be quite similar to what we had done earlier. We had previously used this list called weekday names and this variable called weekday num, which was an integer, to index into the list, and that gave us the day of the birth. Now we can use the same code, so I'm just going to copy this code over and paste it down here because it's exactly the same code we are going to do, except that now instead of date birth, we will be looking at next birthday. So, that's logical because we want to find out the day of the birth for the next birthday. And I'm going to just modify the statement a little bit. So next birthday will be on let's say, whatever day it is, right? So let's just see this working once. Uh, I say 1977, say 1, say 31. It says you were born on a Monday, your next birthday will be 2023, 31st January, as imagined. Also, it tells me that your next birthday will be Tuesday. The exact same logic that we had used earlier, just that we have used it on a new date time object, which is the next birthday. Now, with that, we are done with the first part of the birthday countdown activity. I would, to just complete this project at this point in time, I'll add a few comments to make it clear what we are doing. Clearly it's been a long journey. We have seen a lot of concepts through this, right? Really a lot of things, be it data types, be it, let's say, a discussion about what objects are, be it the if then else statement, be it the lists, and so on and so forth. So there's really a lot of things. Some of it may look a little bit overwhelming, but really focus on the activity, focus on your goal. Try not to get bogged down too much by these, say, syntax or the concepts. Of course, that doesn't mean you do not remain systematic. Be systematic, do codes in small increments like we are doing, test them, question your understanding, try more, but enjoy the process. So you keep moving forward, you'll find that the width that we have gotten in this activity will get consolidated, will get solidified as we move forward. New concepts come in, and we'll understand a lot of these things much, much better by ourselves. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.